Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add Avios points after booking your Qatar Airways flight. First, log in to your Qatar Privilege Club account on qatarairways.com. Go to My Dashboard and click Claim Missing Avios. Enter your booking reference and last name, then select your flight and tap Submit Claim. It usually takes a few days for your Avios points to appear in your account. If your flight doesn't show up, contact Qatar Airways support and provide your ticket number or boarding pass to request your Avios manually. And that's it. You've successfully added your Avios points after booking your Qatar Airways flight. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.